I've identified a problem. A previous patch that someone has done has failed, and all the water is now going into this gap. I found this patch by using a jet wash, which doesn't take any prisoners when it's looking for a dodgy area. So what we're going to do is heat up this area, put some primer down, get some lead flashing over it, and that will seal it up ready for the rain tomorrow. By putting the heater on this, it does two things. It warms the lead up so that the primer has got a dry surface to adhere to, and it also helps set the primer quicker because the lead is already warm. This shows how quickly the dial gets up to temperature. To set the temperature, all you have to do is use the plus and minus buttons. If we reduce it back down again, and then hit the enter button, which is on the left, you can then see the temperature go back down, and it's already at temperature. Very quick at moving the temperature to what you actually want to work with. After you turn it off, if you put it onto 1, it then goes into cool down mode, and it will reduce the heat rapidly. All the primer does is it just helps the bitumen on the lead flashing to adhere to the surface. And we're coming out this far because there's a few weak pieces of lead around here. So now we've set the temperature to just under 400, and this gives you a nice bit of heat, but not too much that it's going to burn everything. So this patch will definitely see me through the winter and allow me to do a permanent fix on it next year when it's drier. Thank you for watching and subscribing.